How to host multiplayer Palworld Xbox. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to host multiplayer Palworld Xbox. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Hosting a Palworld server on Xbox is not too tricky, but you will need to follow some steps. First, make sure your Xbox is set up for online pay and you have a stable internet connection. Then, launch Palworld and head to the multiplayer section. From there, you should see an option to create server. Just follow the on-screen instructions and with this, you're the host of your very own Palworld server. Remember, you might want to tweak the server settings to fit how you and your friends want to play. So, this is how you can host multiplayer Palworld on Xbox. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.